Hey y'all, welcome back to Breath and Boulders. Murphy here, still hanging out at the Stone Age Traverse. I think it's one of my new favorite spots. You can see Turtle Head Peak up there. It's one of my booze favorites. And we did hike that once and that was pretty stellar. So, okay, today we're going to be doing a breath to release on a sigh. So getting out any stress, lowering the cortisol. I know the Andrew Huberman, the science whiz, talks about it. So if you want to look more into that, you can. Otherwise, it's pretty straightforward. We'll do it for 3 minutes. We're going to inhale. I know he does a double inhale, but we're just going to inhale through the nose, lifting the shoulders, and then release on a sigh. And I want to encourage you to make sound an H-U-H and allowing it to be a full body sigh. So rather than just this little part here, engaging the entire body in this release. Okay, so let's sit up straight, or whatever that means. I don't really like that term, so let's try that again. All right, let's sit up as tall as comfortable. Find our sits bones on the floor, and we're going to go for 3 minutes. And let's begin. Big inhale. Lift the shoulders up, and then exhale, drop it. Keep going, and it's okay if you don't stay with me. Just keep the repetition of inhale. Inhale, shoulders up. Let the jaw, the tongue relax. Beautiful, y'all. Keep going. This last half, maybe picking up the pace a little bit. Last round, big inhale. Exhale, drop it. And relax the breath. You can straighten your legs if you need to. Maybe feeling a little lightheaded. Tingly sensations, that's totally normal. Checking back in with your body and feeling it on the rock or on the floor. Cool. So that one's pretty simple, short, sweet. Try it out. Midday pick me up. If you're feeling a little stressed, short on time, give it a whirl. Let me know how it goes. Again, if you're into this stuff, share it with some friends who might benefit from it. Like I've said, people in recovery, this is a very useful tool. And for anybody who has a pretty high stress job. Okay, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.